So friends, now let us come to the early history of control system and how it came into existence. Some historical developments that took place in quite early in the birth of control systems. One of the early examples that is recorded is that of a constant liquid level control. So here in this measuring tank, you can see that the level of the liquid will be maintained at a constant level. Whenever the liquid level decreases, the float also comes down, thereby allowing more supply inflow of liquid into the tank. And as liquid level rises, float also rises, which reduces the supply of no, liquid inflow, and at time it totally cuts off the supply. So with this arrangement, the level of liquid in the tank can be maintained at a desired and constant level. So this is one of the most early examples of a man-made control system where he can maintain a constant liquid level in a tank with help of a float. And this invention even continues to be used in its own different variants and modifications. Uh, One of that is seen in toilets, in filling tanks, in overhead tanks. So it even continues to serve the mankind and the purpose of its invention. Then next in line is of a clock, a elementary water clock. Here you can see you have two liquid tanks. The liquid from the above tank trickles down into the measuring tank at a constant rate. And this allows the float in the lower tank, measuring tank, to rise at a constant rate. And the side of the measuring tank is calibrated in terms of what? The hours of the day. So as the liquid level rises, it would be known to the people that what would be the time in the day. So this is one of the very early inventions that is documented and is called as the elementary water clock. Then in 17th century, a big development takes place, that is of safety valve. The story behind this being invented, produced by a person called as Denis Papin is quite interesting. Denis was working for His Majesty, the King of France, and he was in charge of cooking for the entire staff of the king, especially when they are going for expeditions. And Denis had made a huge apparatus called as digester that helps quick cooking of food and making bone soups. But that giant apparatus digester had a problem. At times, the entire cover of the digester would be blown up into the air, and it would cause lot of agony. So Dennis was working on reasons, finding reasons to plug in this loophole. He finally succeeded in